Good job, Mila. What are you doing? Here's. Wow. What's the water? So I still have, I have there, I said I don't needed a bunch of it, so that was
That's
faster.
Yeah.
You don't have to have their names and look up anything.
For sure. That's actually
And more so smart.
that I actually upgrade myself to go on skills or something. Like I was like, we'll figure something out.
Yeah, it's I think 6:30 to 7:30 or something. It's a little late, but
It is a little late. Come on, Shauna.
here we go. Let's try.
Oh, come on.
There was
Nice.
more stable on her feet than the other girls.
Yeah.
She's not initially like the other girl, but maybe it's just because they're trying harder.
I feel like it is a slow morning.
Oh, does it go?
But when you go pull a bunch of stuff, I can go with it.
Yeah.
Did you just gotta take you?
Last time I convinced her not to go.
That's
It runs all year. I didn't know that either. It runs all year.
Well, I kind of got boxed in here, didn't I?
There you go.
That's right.
Except back there, it says.
Other families are like, which quality of life are they there? So we're trying to check
Not yet.
The girls and boys have the Avalanches have the blue roses.
I think they have 3, and Lisa's team has 1 or 2. So they're trying to catch up.
Did you was it allowed? I'm not sure you can do that, Shauna. Yeah. It's like a no, but then it's.
Yeah, when she's there, she's fine.
Oh,
Fine.
exactly.
Sean's like, you're so good. Because at first I was like,
Yeah.
and then he was like, no, she actually needs to just like, just can't see. He's also
That's sweet.
Oh, our team scored, and the other team scored.
What scored more?
There you go.
I'm not sure who has the most points.
Come on, Shauna.
Who's your grandparents?
So I like this
She's down there.
Yeah, that's a smart idea. And it's free.
But can I just say they're still
Why are you going to get like?
It's not our best game. I'll say that.
Absolutely not.
What?
Okay. Come on, go.
Going is
Good job, Amelia.
and 21.
Did our team score?
You know, the black team wanted to score, but the white team.
Generate one.
I say that
Is that for our house like a Wi-Fi list? I feel like if you just do it. I think. Yes, we did.
Maybe it was like a sister.
It was a provincial. Yeah.
So the daycare she was like to before and after school care.
Yeah.
Not every day.
Yeah.
We're working.
There's Mila.
Okay.
number 47.
I'm tired.
Oh yeah, yes, yes.
Turn around, Debbie. I can't see you. No, people are here to watch.
There you go, Kayla.
So we should go 1 or 2 days.
Okay, well,
So the t-shirts are like better than the North Van Rent stuff.
I think it's swim faster and I
Maddie
didn't
said
like it.
Maddie said that he sold
Hey, Darcy.
they had her race.
Yeah.
I didn't want her to race, but they were like,
No, she can do it.
but she did it. So she raced in 2 meets and she did fabulous.
We don't want the Avalanche win, right?
Not today. She's right by the goal. Liesel's number 2. You see number 2 over there?
Oh, games and running shoes. And then
We'll go from there.
I don't have any.
Come on, Shauna.
Is that Springs offered? No. I thought, so she's going to do Marley, so she's going to swim. So she swam last year. We don't put her on practice.
Shauna was telling me because I'm like, we didn't get last year. I want him to, but I don't know if he did. But she's
No, I have to check with this. Shauna thinks so last year. Go, go, go.
Come on, Shauna, yeah, don't. Good job.
Because I went into the dock and got all the information, got quotes. Use your stick, I sorted that for that's it. They don't need to
Has Maddie won the high shot? No. Today would be a good day for her to win. Oh no, Allie, are you off?